One of their agents, Michelle, came to see me the very next night, and we immediately hit it off. She was responsive. I was trying to deal with other real estate agents and I couldn't get a hold of anyone, and she's been with me this whole time, and I'm so lucky that I found her and Rudy's team.
I'm really satisfied with the services of Ben, and he is really the God-given realtor for us, because Ben, whenever we see houses, he is already prepared for all the houses that we're going to visit. So from those houses, I could select which one I want.
I mean, we've been looking for a long time, to say the least. I think we've probably looked at almost over 200 homes in many different places. And I think one of the outstanding qualities of Brian is he's been really patient. Honestly, he's been really patient. Sometimes we look at maybe 10 or 15 homes a day, and we really appreciate his effort. Definitely.
Not only Sophie and the whole team is very professional. We have everything done timely, promptly, and very well communication in general. Yeah, it's kind of like relaxed, we just shop for about a week and we have the deal closed just like one day. It's like, I think we put an offer on the Friday, and Saturday night Sophie called us back and said that seller has accepted our offer. And it was an exclusive contract, yes.
Very supportive, very responsive, and also very good knowledge about the urban city. Gave me a lot of good advice about schooling, transportation, market, and also about the price range. So that's make me immediately make quick decision. I really want to working with Free Freeman in coming this project. It turned out a very good, successful experience. I think this is good experience I want to share with you.